If you've never tried this combination of stir-fried celery, some salmon fillet and some baby potato, then you've been missing a lot. Allow me to show you how I made this for a large family. To my returning viewers, thank you once again for supporting my channel, and to my new viewers, welcome to Inspired by JI, where I share curated food content and lifestyle. So today we're making some salmon fillet and some stir-fried celery alongside some baby potato. So as you can see from the beginning of this video, I had to peel off the fibrous strings of my celery because I don't want the string to be stuck in between my teeth, and I want this crunchy taste of my celery. So now we'll go to the next step, which is to prep our salmon fillet. I'm gonna list the ingredients I used on my description, so please do well to have a quick read at it. So you can use whatever you want to use if you don't have exactly what I use. I'm gonna use some olive oil for this, and I'm gonna add some soy sauce. I'm using the light soy sauce for this. I'm gonna add a blend of ginger and garlic, and of course some lemon. This is all you'll be needing. And I'm gonna dip my salmon fillet into this wonderful and spicy mixture, and I'll just let it sit there for a little while, then take it out. I'll do this for all my salmon fillets. Yeah, before I forget, please wash your salmon fillet before this and use a kitchen towel to dry it off. You don't want any water to be in it while you do this, because you don't want water while you fry. So this is all my salmon fillet ready, and I'll keep this aside for some minutes. And then I'll prep my baby potato. I want this to be in smaller sizes, so I just had to dice them more. Add some salt and water depending on the quantity you're making, and parboil this for some time. Then in another pan, add some olive oil. You don't want to add too much oil to this. Then place your salmon fillet and let it stay there for a while. I think I fried this within 10 minutes. You want it properly cooked. Well, the amount of time you use depends on how much you want your fillet to be cooked. As you can see, mine was okay at this point. I had to check it by lifting the other side up. Now I want to make some sauce. I added some onion, garlic, ginger, and some scotch bonnet, and some of the spices and some soy sauce. And I'm gonna use some corn flour for this to make it thick a little bit, and you can add little spices if you want. And then all you have to do is to dip your fish into this sauce and just let it sit there for a while. You want the sauce to penetrate in your fish very well. So now your fish is ready. I'm gonna add some coriander leaf, and there it is. Perfectly cooked, well spiced salmon fillet. Now for my boiled potato, I'm adding some coriander leaves, some black pepper, and some little oil, and I'm just gonna mix it together, and you have that. Now I'm gonna make my celery, my stir-fried celery. Add some garlic, little oil, black pepper, spice of your choice, and some soy sauce, and just stir. You don't want to stir this for so long because you don't want a soft celery. You want a crunchy and well-spiced celery. If you've watched to this extent, I'm assuming you like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And now look at what we made together. This could serve a family of 5 or 6, depending on how much your family eats. But irrespective of this, trust me, everyone will love this and they would demand for more. I'm just gonna plate this and add some sesame seed just to give it some 5-star restaurant look. And yeah, your food is ready. I hope you try this at home and tell me your outcome. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.